Post-credit, di ba? Parang may sinabi ka.
Pero totoo po talaga, hindi po talaga nagka-cut. Sinabi kaya sa ano, gusto ko daw. Marami namang gusto si Sari na gusto rin ni Kim Chu. Pero wala. Go! Post-credit, oo. Kahit surprising. Hindi, si Cookie. Si Cookie ay pinaka-diva pa po sa lahat ng diva. Kasi minsan, kailangan siya talagang makainin ng cucumber bago po siya umarte. Yes. Tapos, meron po siyang, vet sa set. Yes.
Spoiled talaga.
Spoiled siya. Tapos, sometimes, pag tulog siya, huwag mo siyang gigisingin.
May ganun?
Yes. Tsaka hindi rin po siya pwedeng mabasa.
Tsaka di lang sila matulog, di ba?
Oo, dilat sila matulog kasi. Kaya hindi mo
Hindi mo alam kung tulog o hindi.
Yes. Nakaganyan siya. Sabi ko, naglulukuhan na lang ba tayo, Cookie? Pero cute po.
Cute. Okay, next. Make bunot.
Gusto mo ikaw po.
Whether you like it or not, ikaw na doon. Wala, ulit yan.
How's working on my love will make you disappear? How's working on my love will make you disappear? Challenged or changed you as an artist or person? Did it push you in new directions creatively and emotionally?
Miss Universe pala ito.
I think.
Akala ko ba?
Thank you for the question.
As you all know, I rarely do romantic comedies. And not because I don't want to, it's because I just like not really drama, but I like accepting, not even action. I just want it different all the time. I want to do different roles, or I want to tackle different characters all the time. And the nice thing about My Love Will Make You Disappear was it was the challenging part of it was it's rom-com, but it's also not, because if you see the journey of my character was quite interesting, and yeah, it did push me creatively in a lot of ways, because I had to dig deep to find my funny side.
Funny siya sa quick, di ba?
Funny ba yun?
Gusto mo ba ng in person?
Maahang talaga yun. Maahang talaga.
Oo.
Sunog dila.
Sunog
So
dila.
yun siguro. Parang kailangan kong hanapin.
Ulit daw lang lang.
Funny side. Ha?
Yung may... Sorry.
Kwek-kwek ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi you make my heart beat quickly like an earthquake. Tama ba?
Kasi, inulit mo galing. Okay. We'll do a couple more questions and we'll be ready for our photos.
Next question is, how did you build chemistry with your co-stars? Were there any fun or unexpected moments that helped bring the relationship to life on screen? Uy, grabe naman bring relationship to life. Grabe naman to. Iba pa ng mga tanungan dito. Ala! Hindi, third project na kasi namin to ni Paolo from Linlang, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, and now ito nga yung movie namin. And this is our second project na rin with our director, Direk Chad. So medyo okay na yung rapport namin, and medyo kilala na namin each other. And yun.
Medyo.
Yeah, medyo. Okay, meron pa pwedeng kilalanin pa. Yes. Ala!
Okay, pa. Sige, last question and we'll head on out there.
If you woke up one day and swapped personalities with your character, what's the first thing you do? Ooh.
As Jolo.
What's the first thing I would do as Jolo if I swapped? Sang part sa ending ba? If if I swap personalities with my character, since ang ganda na ng end natin, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Kung saan nag-end, yun yung simula. Sample daw. Sample.
Ulitin na lang nila manood. Bukas ulit.
Actually, kahapon, meron mga nanood 2 beses. Babalik today, kayo ata yun. There you go. And tomorrow again. Alrighty, okay, game na kayo. You ready to take photos? The first photo is the groupie. And so the groupie, Pao and Kim will sit right here, the face there. First 3 rows, stand up para makita kayo. Our photographers are coming here for a groupie. Compress. Try to compress. David, let's have some more music.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, okay, good job. Okay, so logistics time. We're gonna bring out our banners. We'll put them in the middle. Which row will we do Pampers? We'll do the handicap row first? Or that row first? Okay. Okay, so we do that second row first. The second row first. Correct, okay. So yung second row po, above the handicap, you can start lining up. You can go to the side to line up. But we will do the photos with this group first. So our ushers in black will help out. We need to clear you kasi because we'll put the banners there. So the second row, kindly stand up na and line up by the stairs. Yeah, so we'll put the banners. Kasi yun po yung backdrop natin. Yan. By the way, we have a super pakiusap. We can't do selfies here. Why? Because a lot of you, I did the math. There's 250 of you. If 30 seconds of a selfie, you'll be here for 3 hours. That's a lot of time. So, we have an official photographer, Kuya Stanley. Where's Kuya Stanley? He's right here. Say hi, Stanley. Okay, he will take awesome photos, and you'll find your photos on mytfc.com. HD, 4K photos. Maganda po yan, okay? So, can you please proceed to the line, second row? Our staff will help you get up there.
Actually, okay na muna. Pwede mo naman patayin yun. Hawakan ko na rin. Para yung music. Ito na yung playlist. O yung playlist na isa. Yung ayun na yun. Sige lang, kasama na lang ka.
Right, we're getting along. Thank you. So again, try to avoid the selfies so everybody has a chance for the photos. So if we do 250 selfies, that's 2 hours. We'll be here forever. So not a lot. But our photographer will do a great job. There's Kuya Stanley. Here's Kuya Stanley. You'll be looking here. The camera will be here. You'll take wonderful photos in groups of 10. You can find them on mytfc.com. Okay?
Again, thank you again, thank you everyone for coming out to watch the show. Enjoying the spread the word. I love the message this is showing outside the Philippines.
Tell your friends anywhere in the world. It's all over the world and the universe.
Napakarami naman nakalipad ba ni Nagambi.
So for our photos, our you guys, our friends, our fans will have 2 sections. One on the floor with them, and then on the second section above. So we'll split up the groups. So you all fit in one nice photo. And note also, we have lights here to make it look really nice and pretty and guapo. Try not to trip over the lights. Because you need the lights to make it look good. Watch your steps. Alrighty, we're almost there. Okay, are we ready? Do the PAM? You wanna bring them down? Yeah, we gotta compress in the middle. Dapat balansyado po. Asymmetrical. Okay. Kuya Miko, they're ready? Yeah? We can bring them down.
That's why I have to stay over.
Yesterday you were there also.
That's why I have to stay over there because it's too close.
Wala pang artista. Buti lang na lang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wala pa artista.
Stop mo na. Tapos si-live mo na lang ulit pag konting photo.
Alright, here we go! Batch number 1.
Excuse po. Thank you.
Alrighty. And po. Now ready. Our phones, are you ready for the photo? Okay, Kim, bow. Fans, are you ready? Look into Stanley. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Good.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. And we will usher you out and bring in our next group of 10. Thank you so much. Salamat. To our lolas and our titos, we're good with fist bumps and high fives. Huwag lang yung halip na may sipot, ha? Huwag yung, hindi ako pumapalo. Ano ba yung kiss ng lola? Yung may sipot? Ganon. Matatagalan po tayo doon. Para mag-exchange po tayo ng DNA. If you have gifts for them, you can hand them over to the staff.
Pero meron ulit. Bawal meron ako. Bukas na ako pakita mo.
Lumabas na ako rin kasi naliliw na ako.
If you guys have gifts for Kim and Bao, you can hand them over to Heidi or Jet. Si Heidi po yung naka-olive green. Heidi, kumaway ka. And then Jet is gray. Kumaway ka. Ayan. You can give them the gifts. Okay. Second row, second row. We gotta fill up the second row, Cherry. Second row. Okay, here we go. 6 more people in the second row so we can fill up the 10. Alrighty. Moving right along. Okay. Alright, here we go. Countdown. Ready, photo. Right here. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Ganda. Beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We're moving on. Huwag niyo po tayo mag-selfie, please. We'll be here until 48 years. I will lose all my hair by then. Pati autographs po, yeah, I can sign it later. I'll just book it bao. Yeah, your trash guys ha, yung favor natin, please bring your trash. Thank you so much. We appreciate you helping out our cleaning staff at Cinemark. Tita, huwag na po tayo mag-selfie para makaalis po tayo. Dito na po tayo lahat. 1:30 na magdala po tita. Ready? Tita, here we go. Tita po, tita, tita. Here, right here. Ma'am, here po, smile, camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Beautiful, thank you so much. Have a great day. Next batch, coming right in. Salamat po, salamat po. Ang sabi pa rin ng scriptwriter na yung nagsa-selfie, magdi-disappear. Joke.
Kasama ba naman si
Oh,
Paolo?
true. Nakakapit na tayo ng bukas nito.
Kasama si Paolo.
Your selfies will disappear. Ano? Ay. Ayan. Amy, fill it up, fill it up. Oh, first section, tayo po kayo. Yung first 3 rows, you can start lining up on the side. We did a few more. It's back in the second row.
Nine na ba?
Second row, second row. Okay, let's take it up there. Sige lang, any 4 or 5 people, Sherry, go ahead. Si Lola kasi, nakakita po siya. First row na lang si Tita. Oh, we can do this again. Let's take this photo. Let's take this photo. Here we go. Tita po. Sige na. Photo, camera. 1, 2, 3. Pretty. Thank you so much. Next group. Maraming salamat. David. Kasi gusto. Wala. Ano na pala? Nag-transition daw.
Second row. Yeah.
Are you doing your stuff?
Let's compress to the right so we have more balance and symmetry.
We'll leave it over there.
Ready? Here we go. Everybody look here. Kim, 1, 2, 3, in the middle. Pretty, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget to bring your trash. Bring it on out. Maraming salamat.
I know. The floor was here.
Hindi pwede mo up ng konti nito.
Lapit na.
Hey, here we go. First row, second row, please. Let's fill it up. Okay. Second row. Natutulala sila eh, no? Pag lumalapit parang make me freeze. Okay, one more. Are we coming in? Lady in red? There you go. And the lady with the baby. Can we compress to the side a bit some more? Guys, move in. We got one more gentleman to come and join the group. Pasok po tayo. Is he in? Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Picture here. Everybody in the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Pretty. Thank you so much. Remember, your photos will be uploaded to mytfc.com very soon. Maybe not tonight, but check the map, like Monday. Check the site on Monday. Your photos will be there in glorious high definition. No, you have to go to the website, mytfc.com. Correct, you're right. At the events section. Si Kuya, masarap to. Good job. Click on the events and you'll find your photos there.
Yeah, little bit.
Ano po? Thank you. Thank you for being here. Hope you had a wonderful time. Thank you for bringing your trash. I appreciate you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right here. Smile. Good job. Thank you, guys. Love the shirts. You keep our shirts. All right. Next batch. Thank you so much. Moving right along. Alright, are we going to start second row or we're going to do this? We can do... We'll take this photo, Miko. Okay, hang on. We're adding 3 more. Okay, 1 and 2. That's it. Okay, because they're group. Ready, here we go. Si ate girl, nagbuman ng popcorn. Smile. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Got it. Thank you so much. Beautiful.